In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye-catching design using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete newbie, Canva offers an intuitive platform that's perfect for creating visually stunning content. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to Canva's website, log into your account, and create a new design. For this tutorial, we'll be using a canvas size of 1080 by 1080 pixels, which is pretty standard for social media posts and gives you ample space to work your creative magic. Once you're in, cast your eyes to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main toolbar. Click on Text to reveal a variety of options. We're going to start with something straightforward, so go ahead and click on Add a Heading. This will give you a base text box to work with. Now type in any message or title you'd like. Keep it short and sweet for maximum impact. Ready to add some artistic flair? Hover back over to the left side menu and click on Elements. Here you'll find a treasure trove of shapes, icons, and illustrations to enhance your design. For our purpose, let's search for and select a shape that complements your text. Once you've chosen, drag it onto your canvas. To create depth and make your text pop, place the shape behind the text. Click on the shape and drag it to where you'd like it positioned. Once it's on your canvas, you might find that it needs a little tweaking. No worries. With the shape still selected, click and drag the corners to adjust its size to your liking. Now glance at the floating menu that appears when you select the shape. Here you have the option to add a border. Go ahead and click on Border, then adjust the stroke weight until it feels just right. This can highlight the shape and add a layer of sophistication to your design. Color plays a crucial role in drawing attention, so let's make some adjustments. You can change the color of both the border and the shape itself. Explore the color palette to find a hue that matches your overall theme. But for this tutorial, let's get a little adventurous. Select No Color for the shape's fill. This will make the text inside your shape more visible and often has a modern look. And there you have it. In just a few short steps, you've learned how to create an engaging and professional-looking design using Canva. Feel free to play around and tweak your creation until it's perfect. The beauty of Canva is its flexibility. There's really no limit to what you can create. So keep experimenting and let your creativity shine. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.